Hi guys, today we're going to draw Arrokuda from Pokemon. Today you're going to need a pencil, a piece of paper, and the Pokemon card for Arrokuda is optional, but it would be better if you had it. So we're going to start by drawing the spinal line from the top corner to the right middle area. Nice and light so that we can erase it if necessary. Then draw down for the snout and make a curve for the mouth. Do a kind of spiral to begin the mouth with, and then end a little bit before the end of the snout. Round the area where the lip meets the snout. Then draw a tooth protruding from the upper lip. This gives it a sort of Barracuda style. Then let's draw the eye, just a large circle right above the lip, with a smaller circle inside for the pupil looking upwards. Let's finish Arrokuda's body by curving the end and bringing it all the way to a point with the other line, or the spinal line. Draw the two parts of the fin after you finish with the point at the very end of Arrokuda's body. To draw the top fin, make a sort of bread-like shape, but with the bottom sliced off diagonally. Draw 3 lines in the top as separations in the fin. Now draw his sort of facial details. There's a line right beside his cheek that we can do. It goes right above his eye, and then let's connect the gills. It'll be a sort of half loop. Then make sort of a separation from that line and the gills, and draw 3 lines in it for separations in the gills. Wonderful. Now draw a line through the eye. I'm just going to correct my dimensions here. Okay. To do the side fin, make a sort of petal shape connecting to the body, and draw 3 lines for separations in that fin. Draw quarters of circles to make sort of design on Arrokuda's body. Then add a sort of curved line from Barracuda's tail to his spinal line, and then you're done. So now pen your drawing, and then I'll meet you back here so we can color it together. The colors you'll need for Arrokuda are a lime green, a darker gray, a black, and a red. Our Arrokuda is now finished. Label your drawing and don't forget to sign your name. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to the Artist Place YouTube channel and like this video. Come next time to learn how to draw Woobat, a personal favorite of mine. Bye.